welcome back to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio and to our Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. We have a product review video for you today. It's been a while since we've done a dedicated product review video. On test we have the HD Car Care glass cleaner. Now we've been sent several of the HD Car Care products and we are going to be putting those through their paces, so make sure to check out the Trusted Car Products website for those. But we're going to do a little bit of a video feature today on their glass cleaner because we know how much most people hate cleaning glass, so hopefully this will perform well and possibly be the answer to your prayers. Okay, so purely for the purpose of the testing, we have made the front windscreen of our test Clio here an absolute state. We put handprints on it because car windows get covered in handprints, particularly for children. And we've also put some oil, some grease, anything that would get on a car window is on this window. So it will be a real test for the HD Car Care glass cleaner. So let's see how it performs. Okay, we're now going to look at the performance of the HD Car Care glass cleaner. We're going to test it out on the windscreen that we've shown you is nice and dirty already. Now we have had a couple of sprays of the product just to get the trigger flowing, and an added bonus of this is it does smell absolutely fantastic. So if you're using it on interior glass in your car, that is an added bonus because it just means your car will smell nice and fresh when you get into it after cleaning the glass. So we're going to start now just by spraying this a couple of times over the windscreen of this car. And we've got a soft lint-free cloth as they advise. We're just going to spread the product around, gently buffing up the glass. Turn our cloth just so you don't get too much product on one side. It does smell wonderful, this stuff. I know you can't get that across in the video, but it really is an added bonus when a product smells nice, especially if you're a professional user like myself. If you're using a product every day, it does add to the enjoyment factor of doing so. Okay, so we've now cleaned the exterior windscreen of this Clio. I have to say that this is awesome. First impressions of this are a fantastic product. Usually glass cleaners, it's a case of essentially if it cleans the glass, what can you want from it? But in terms of ease of use of this, it's absolutely fantastic. A lot of glass cleaners, that you'll wipe it away and you'll have to follow up with a glass cleaning cloth or second cloth to remove residue. Not the case with this. We were able to just simply buff away all the oils, all the grime that we put on the windscreen, if you like. No real effort to it whatsoever, which is great. With the added bonus of that fragrance. Now, we are in the summer at the moment, but we've found out about the product that during the winter it does actually have anti-fogging properties to it, so if you're using it on interior glass and you're fed up with those steamy mornings when your windscreen all condensates up and you have to wait for ages with your blowers on. I'm not saying that this will completely combat it, but it will help to limit it certainly, if all is to be believed on that, so we'll definitely be looking to try that at some point and test out the anti-fog characteristics. But in terms of what we've been able to test today, absolutely fantastic. It is our first experience of a product from HD Car Care. We will continue to use this glass cleaner now over an extended period of time before doing our written review, but make sure to keep your eye out for that on the website. We've also got their fallout remover, their line pre-wash and their all-purpose cleaner coming up at some point as well, and we hope to explore their range fully at some point in the future too. So thank you very much for watching that. Fantastic product from the guys at HD Car Care. Please like, share and subscribe. And share the YouTube channel to anyone who you think may be interested, and keep checking out the trustedcarproducts.co.uk website, and make sure you check out the guys at hdcarcare.co.uk if you're interested in buying this glass cleaner. It is a very good value product as well, and you can check out their full range there. Thank you.